Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Pampanga Giant Lanterns kontra sa Mindoro Tamaraws 96-72. Best player of the game si Miguel Cortiza sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Pinataob naman ng Zamboanga Family Sardines ang Negros Mascobados 88-73. Tinanghal na best player of the game si JC Marcelino matapos humakot ng 15 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Wagi naman ang Binyan Tatakjel kontra sa Abra Weavers 65-60. Best player of the game si Kini Rocacorva sa likod ng kanyang 12 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong April 23, 2024 na gaganapin sa San Andres Sports Complex. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Pangasinan Heatwaves at Quezon Huskers alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game, magtatapatan ng Bacolod City at Davao Occidental Tigers alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game, magtutos ang Caloocan City at Manila City alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of April 22, 2024. Rizal Golden Colors 3 wins 0 loss. Nueva Ecija 1 win 0 loss. San Juan Knights 1 win 0 loss. Pampanga Giant Lanterns 2 wins 1 loss. Juan Bataan Risers 2 wins 1 loss. Quezon City 2 wins 1 loss. Manila City 2 wins 1 loss. Pasay Voyagers 2 wins 1 loss. Abra Weavers 2 wins 2 losses. Valenzuela City 1 win 2 losses. Pangasinan Heatwaves 1 win 2 losses. Bulacan Cuyas 0 win 3 losses. Marikina Showmasters 0 win 4 losses. Caloocan City 0 win 0 loss. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of April 22, 2024. Zamboanga Family Sardines 4 win 0 loss. Batangas City 3 win 0 loss. Paranaque City 3 win 0 loss. Quezon Huskers 1 win 0 loss. Binyan Tatakjel 1 win 0 loss. Negros Mascobados 3 wins 1 loss. South Cotabato Warriors 2 wins 1 loss. Bacolod City 1 win 2 losses. Iloilo City 1 win 2 losses. Sarangani Marlins 1 win 2 losses. Mindoro Tamaraws 1 win 3 losses. Davao Occidental Tigers 0 win 1 loss. Imos Agimat 0 win 3 losses. Muntinlupa Kidgers 0 win 3 losses. Bicolandia Uragons 0 win 4 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.